Hi, everybody. This is Diane Liddington. I am one of your child's biology teachers for this semester. You have both me and Diane Liddington, and then you also have Monica Hotham. She has loaded a PowerPoint with some audio in it, and then I'm going to give you this little video, so you'll have both modalities to learn a little bit about us. But this is my 12th year teaching here at West, or 12th year here teaching, 4th at West. I love science, good, because I get to teach it. I also love sports. This is my family here, my husband Eric and my two boys, Sean and Ethan. Sean's 7 and Ethan is 3 going on 4. Up in this corner is our black lab Bella, who's 9 going on 10, but you wouldn't know it if you met her. She is crazy. For biology, this is practical biology, so we still have to take the Keystone. The Keystone will be in May, about mid-May, but fortunately, at the end, instead of a final exam, we have a final project. So after the Keystone, we'll wrap up our final unit. And then we will move right into working on our final project, which is just really a cumulative experience where we get to tie all of our units together. We'll start with doing biochemistry, some of the molecules that we use to build the cells, and then we'll start the cell there and move our way out. So all of our other units tie back to one of the cell structures, whether we're talking about, cellular energy or transport across that membrane or genetics, all of it will tie back to one of those parts of the cell. In class, what's it going to look like? I use what's called the modern classroom approach. So the lectures, as opposed to me standing in front of the PowerPoint and clicking everyone at the same pace. I prefer to allow the kids that voice and a choice and flexibility to move through that material at their own pace. So they get a pre-recorded video on Edpuzzle with questions embedded in it. So they watch the video, they listen to the lecture, and they take notes on a scaffolded note sheet. So really target the notes that they're taking so they get all the big picture concepts. And then myself and Ms. Hotham, we get to see the results of those questions in the Edpuzzle. So we know if they're really understanding the material as they're moving through it. The videos are set to unlimited watches, so kids can go back at any time and re-watch it, re-engage with the material. Maybe they'll re-watch right before they take the test or the quiz so they can study that content again. It's a great way that they can move through the material at their own pace. This does not mean they are passively at the computer all day. It's a total blend of the old school and the new school concepts and technologies. We'll use technology, but we'll also do tons of labs and projects and very kinesthetic things. We'll do whole group, we'll do small group, but we'll also have a portion of each class that's independently paced and allows kids to move through materials at a pace that works for them. So that will require them to have headphones in class each day. As far as summative assessments, we'll have a little bit of everything. We'll have some tests and quizzes just, in order to prep successfully for Keystone. But we'll also do, labs where we'll have analysis questions at the end that reflect on our learning from that lab. We'll do projects. We'll do a little bit of everything so that kids, we hit all the different modalities for all of our students in class. If you need to get in touch with us, the best way to do that is shoot us an email. We're both in different classrooms at different times of the day, so trying to get a hold of us and find us via phone is a little tough. If there's something that really does need to be talked over and you'd like to have a phone call, just go ahead, shoot one of us an email, myself or Ms. Hotham. Our emails are right here. And then we'll talk. We'll set up a time that we can have a call if that's the easiest way or the most effective way to express that concern or ask those questions. But anytime, just shoot one of us or both of us an email and let us know. Looking forward to working with your child in class and hopefully hearing great things from you guys. Thank you.